I'm here in Mexico, and here is my mom's guava tree. It's only 2.5 years old, and as you can see, has a lot of fruit already. This is the first year that it's starting to produce, and here they love the weather, so they grow fast and they produce fast. In California, it's hard to grow these because of the cold weather. They don't like cold weather. But the fruit is delicious. It has more vitamin C than oranges or limes. So this is a very fast-growing fruit tree here in Mexico. I'm gonna try to see if I can taste before I go back. I don't know if it's pink or yellow or white. There are different colors of the interior. Hopefully they grow. This one's almost ready, so hopefully it's ready